welcome back to Everything Izzy, and today I'm with my guest.
WW.
We're always together. So
Yep. Always
okay.
together.
I'm gonna be showing you guys all my slimes. What? So make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and make sure you like. Oh,
Sorry about that.
the camera fell.
Okay, anyway. Subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel.
And most of these are old, so they may be sticky, really sticky, and really rough.
So work with her.
I don't know.
Work with us, right?
Let's start with this one. Ow! I hit my finger. So this pink one.
Yep.
Let's see if it's sticky.
Oh yeah,
rough.
if you guys watched, because I was secretly rating her slime
It's a tiny.
from 1 to 10. 10.
Ugh.
Oh, what did I give this one?
I don't know. I came at the last second for you trespassing my room.
No, I think I gave this one like a 5. I don't know. No, I think I gave it a 10. Yeah, a 10.
Ooh, I like this one, guys. It's really stretchy. Let's see if it clicks. Yeah, it's on me.
Oh
It's
yeah.
okay. It's an
Yeah,
okay clicky.
I think I gave it like an 8 for a clicky. I don't know.
Yeah, it's an okay clicky. But overall, I think this one's pretty good. On to the next one.
The Cookie
Okay,
Monster
the
slime.
next one I've used in a few videos. This is the toothpaste and slime that I did.
Or the Cookie Monster slime.
Oh yeah, the Cookie Monster. This is the one where I put toothpaste in the slime and overactivated it on purpose to put it in, so I can show you guys what cool stuff it does. So it's only a little sticky because of the toothpaste I put in. Here. Yes.
Oh yeah, and then I don't know, we might be doing
I'm gonna be doing shout outs.
subscribe.
All you have to do is to get a shout out, maybe get a shout out, is to be a subscriber.
And for me, you have to be subscribed and say when you found my channel, alright?
Yeah.
And when you found her channel, my channel, and you might be one of the lucky winners.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So this one stretches pretty good. I like the stretch.
Yeah,
it's runny.
I think I gave that one like a 10 for stretching.
It's a very runny one. So let's do click.
Oh wow.
I like this clicky.
Uh-oh.
What? I know.
I do like that. I remember that I gave that a 10 for clicking. I knew. Yeah.
Okay, let's put this up and go to the next one. WW, hand me my gold one.
Gold one. Oh god.
Okay, guys. So I got a gold one. This is my favorite slime.
Yeah, this is my favorite too, actually.
This is my gold slime. As
I
you can
wasn't expecting
see,
to be that favorite, but
right here, there's like a little charm kind of thingy.
but like even if I'm
So
feeling
let's
it,
get
then
it
that
out.
means it's pretty good, right? That means if I'm feeling it, that means it has to be good.
Yeah, because WW does not like the feeling of slime.
But
a
this
lot.
one is.
But WW likes this one, so this one's really good. Super stretchy.
Amazing.
It's super stretchy. Okay, now let's click it.
Ooh.
I got it.
Oh wow.
Oh, let's see if I can do a bubble.
I think I gave this one like a.
I want to try to do a bubble because I don't think I've done a bubble.
I think I gave this one like a 10.
Not
Wow.
really a bubble, but let's hear it.
Oh wow.
Yes,
Okay,
clean, yes.
Oh, okay, so the clicking makes up for the bubble.
Yeah. Because guys,
Tremendously,
this
because.
is such my favorite. It's a big one, as you guys can see.
Yeah, it looks like
It's a big one.
It looks like one of them like rubber balls.
Yeah.
One of them big giant rubber
Okay.
balls.
Let's put this back and get to the next one. So my next one is in this giant tote. I don't know why I put it in this giant tote, but oh, it leaked. That's why. That's because the bag leaks all the time. So as you can see, it leaked. So I'm just gonna get the stuff that leaked out. You don't like this one, do you?
No.
This one is kind of sticky to WW. So I'm just gonna get out the part that leaked. There was more in there, but I'm just gonna get out a little bit of it because oh my god, guys, it's sticky to WW, but not that sticky to me.
Yeah, hey, look, it's honestly not that sticky.
Okay, guys, you ready to see how stretchy this is? Move out the way, WW. Look how stretchy that is, guys. And look, it's like a limeish green color. I love that color.
Because oh yeah, and we might be doing with the are we still doing the Question.
Bubble. Guys, bubble. It's a bubble. Look at that, guys.
Wow. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna be doing the 13 types of
We may be.
teens that you might or will experience.
Yep. So let's put this back in the tote. Ugh.
So make sure you check that out. So
Okay, guys. So WW is gonna put back on the stuff that was on top of the tote. That's on the ground right now. Ooh, WW, can you put my my ghee? Can you put these things into my Girls on the Run bag, please? For me. Thank you, WW.
you're welcome.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get these two slimes next.
Oh wow.
My crunchy slime and mine just normal slime.
Oh, that was my favorite slime.
Oh, this
by the
one?
way. Yeah, the one with eyeballs in it, guys. That's like my all-time
Ooh,
favorite.
guys, look at that.
Isn't that one like really old or something?
Yeah, this is really old. It's a
I think it
little.
was the first slime that you ever made, right?
No,
No, what was the first slime you ever made?
I have no idea. Oh, I remember, but that got old, and we had to throw it away. And guys, it's sticky. It's not super duper sticky. It's just sticky. But it's really crunchy, and I really love this slime. But this slime is old. I'm 10 right now, and I made this on my 8th birthday. So this slime is really old. But
Yeah,
it's
she
still
has
really
loved
good.
slime for, oh god, how many years?
Since I was born.
No, it's just more.
Ah.
I think you started liking slime when you were what?
Like 7.
7?
Yeah, I was like 7 whenever I started liking the slime. I just love this slime so much.
And then you took
Okay.
a break for a couple years, right?
Yeah.
And then now you're back to it.
Yeah.
For good.
Yes, because I actually can buy slime ingredients. I'm not too small to have, like, ooh, it's slime.
Ah.
Okay, watch out. Ready? Stop, save, stop. Stop. The bottom is a little sticky. It's not super sticky.
Yeah.
The slime is a little overactivated. See, it rips.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
And
and I gave it, just, you're not gonna like this. Since it wasn't that stretchy, I sort of give it a 2
okay.
for stretchiness. I mean, it stretches pretty
Yeah.
good, but
But if you do it slowly, if you do it like regular speed, then it'll rip. But if you do it
Yeah.
slowly, then it won't rip. But yeah, guys, let's see if it clicks. Not that really.
not that much, no.
And let's see if we can do a bubble. We probably can't, but let's still try. Nope.
Anyway, but
That's a little good. That was a little good. Let's put this back in its container. Okay, put that in there. Okay, WW, hand me 2 more slimes.
2 more slimes?
Yeah, it doesn't matter which. Just hand me some more slimes.
Okay, I think we should show them this one and this one.
This one and this one next? Okay. Which one do you want me to start with?
Okay.
Which one?
Alright, now just put one in my hand, and that's one you'll choose.
You want this one next?
Yep.
Okay.
Whatever that one was.
My mermaid slime.
Ooh, the mermaid slime. I wanted to see that one.
Okay, so guys, the reason why I call it mermaid slime is it's because like this turquoise color with green sparkles. And guess what, guys? In the middle,
There's a secret thing.
there's a little secret charm. Guys, guess before I show you. Make sure I'll give you 10 seconds to guess what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a turtle. It's a turtle.
Ah, turtle.
Yep. And this slime, I just love it. It feels super glittery. Like you can feel that there's glitter in it without it getting on you.
Yeah,
It's
here,
like,
let me feel.
Oh yes, queen.
I mean, for me, I kind of like this slime though. See, because
and
I
you
mean,
can smell it, and it smells like lotion.
oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yes, it smells like lotion. The WW. Let's put this one up. See, what I like to do is I like to put it in here and then put the charm on the top. Okay, WW's already got my sunset slime for me.
Sunset slime. Wow.
I put orange, yellow, and red food coloring in it.
Nice.
So you ready, guys? Ooh.
What is it? Is it
Like
sticky?
it feels like it should be sticky, but it's not really sticky. Like it feels like it should be, and it's super stretchy. And what I like the most about the slime is like whenever you bubble it, like it looks orange for the bubble. Like the bubble looks orange. Isn't that cool, guys? That's what I love the most about the slime, is the bubble.
Alright, now.
Ah! Ooh, that was a good bubble. You guys can't see it, it just popped. That was a good bubble.
Okay, now I'll get 2 more slimes.
Okay, 2 more slimes. I love the slime, guys. Ah! Let's put that back in there. Okay, WW is gonna pick 2 more slimes. Woo!
Hey, I think your bag leaked. I don't know.
I don't care.
I don't know what this is about.
you wanna pick it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, WW.
This time it's gonna be switched up. It's 3 slimes.
Oh, WW.
Okay, ready? I'm
this
just, okay, hold on. Choose,
this
ready?
slime and this slime.
Choose,
so
ready?
let me just get them.
Which one to touch first?
You touched all of them at the same time.
Well, whatever this,
The circular one?
yeah, the circular one.
Okay, my sherbet one.
Ooh, sherbet. Oh, guys,
Look at the color of this one.
oh, guys, if you didn't know, that's like my favorite ice cream, so.
Sugar. Like,
Oh, and orange swirl.
Sticky. It's sticky.
Ew.
It's sticky to me, guys. And like WW knows, like I usually don't, like he thinks it's sticky slime, but I usually don't think it's sticky slime, right? Like it doesn't stick to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this one's actually sticking to me. So I want to advise you to touch it, WW. Gotta go quick with it. Gotta go quick. Woo! Woo, guys. So yeah, this one's sticky,
So let's put that
but we can
back.
fix it. Whoa, borax. A little bit of borax fixes sticky problems.
Yeah, 'cause it's everything, right?
No, not everything.
Oh, yeah. And also, guys. And then also, I'm going to be doing a trivia question on my channel. A personality trivia. Just to let you know.
Yeah, this is better now.
Hey, look. Personality trivia.
That's cool.
Okay, so tell me if you guys can relate to any of guess of these when I do the video. And feel
We're not
free.
doing it right now.
I know. I said feel free to comment down below which one's your favorite slime out of all these. All these ones are done. We're not finished yet.
Okay, let's put this back down. WW, pick which crunchy slime you want.
I wonder what this one is.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys.
In the bag. Oh,
Yeah, in the bag.
obviously.
Let's take it out, guys. Ooh, don't push it yet. It's not out the bag. I'll tell you when to touch it, okay, WW?
All right. Is it sticky?
I don't know. Okay, I haven't touched the slime in a while. This is one of my old slimes. Ah! Okay. It's okay. That's why I say touch it whenever I tell you to. Jeez, guys. Look at this.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is super crunchy.
Let's put some borax in there.
It's not sticky. It's a little stiff, actually. It's not sticky.
It is? Yeah, can I feel?
No. Yeah, it doesn't click. I'm not surprised because crunchy slime usually doesn't click, but still.
Yeah.
Yeet.
So yeah.
So yeah, this isn't the best slime, but it still feels really nice because all the foam leaves in it, guys. Now you can touch it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
This feels nice.
yeah, the consistency of it, I guess it is great.
Oh yeah, let's put this, guys. Let's put this back, guys. Okay. Ugh.
But
Okay,
I mean,
next is the last crunchy slime.
and then I'll pick
Pick 2 more after this.
2 more or 3 more.
Whichever one you want.
I mean, yeah, 3, probably 3. Because 3 can go faster though.
The one that's white with the yellow lid on at the top shelf is actually its slime. Okay, guys.
Okay, so you can pick all that then.
How about you just bring them all over? How about you just bring, including the bucket slime?
Including the bucket slime.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's get this out.
Including this man.
Yep.
1.
So one of these my friend gave me for my birthday. It wasn't the slime, but one of the things that WW's gonna get out is one of the presents I got for my 10th birthday. Okay, this one's okay. I would say this one's probably stretchier than the crunchy slime we just did. But it doesn't feel, this one doesn't feel as nice as the other one. See, it kind of feels like normal slime, but like, kind of has a feeling like it's supposed to be normal slime, but something's wrong with it. Like, that's what it kind of feels like, guys. Like,
It's like a freak accident, basically.
yeah, like a freak accident. I wish you guys could feel my slimes through the camera. Here, have my slime. Feel it, feel it. Did you guys feel it? Comment down below. Yeah, so this one, I would say it's okay.
You felt it with your eyes.
You felt it with your eyes. Okay, let's put this back, guys. So WW, pick which one you want me to do next.
Whatever
This one?
gem one is, yeah.
Okay, that gem one.
It feels like a gem, yeah. Oh, yeah, alright, okay, yeah.
Okay, close this back for me, WW. Okay, so this is the next slime. This one is super old. I don't even remember this one. Oh,
Is
this
it?
one's super.
I think it was one of your store-bought ones, I don't know.
No.
No. Oh, you made it?
Yeah. It has a texture of not store-bought slime.
Is
Because,
it?
guys,
You go.
look.
Yeah, now.
This one's super old.
And Rippy, yeah.
Yeah, like, I try to do it just a little bit. It rips.
Okay, sure.
You want to?
Yeah. Is it sticky?
Have it.
Is it sticky?
No. How would that be sticky?
Huh.
Ready? I'm gonna throw slime at the camera. Ugh. Did you guys get my slime?
Bah.
Okay, let's put that back. I'll have to fix that later. Yak. Okay, WW, pick which one's next. That one?
Where was in this
Oh, this
sphere
one's heavy.
here?
This one's heavy.
Whatever's in that sphere.
Oh, it's my candy slime. It's my candy slime. This one I remember is supposed to smell good. It does smell good. Smell that.
Oh, wow.
This one is okay. It's a little rippy, but it has cute little charms in it, as you guys can see. It's candy charms, and it's pink slime, so it's like a candy theme and it smells good.
It's basically like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Oh, tell us what your favorite junk food dessert is, by the way.
Yeah. Mine would probably be Twix. I like Twix candy.
Because I am terrible guessing with potato chips. I mean, it's true, right?
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one next.
Ooh.
Oh, I love this slime. This is my like purplish kind of slime
Yeah.
with pink foam beads in it and gold glitter. I love this slime so much, guys. Like,
Oh, wow. Wow, that clicks very nicely.
let's click it.
Not that
Not
much,
that
but...
much, but it sounds.
But, like, when you need
Yeah,
it or
like
whatever.
I need it and all that.
Yeah, it sounds pretty cool.
Ready?
You hear that, guys?
I love this one.
Guys, you hear that?
Ready? I'm gonna put it next to the camera for you guys.
Ready now. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, if you heard it, comment down below, please.
Yes. Oh, guys, this feels so good. Okay, gotta restrain myself. We're already at 18 minutes. Okay, guys, so let's do this one next. This is kind of store-bought slime, kind of not, because like this came from a kit that I got at the store, but I made the slime. So it's kind of halfway store-bought, halfway
Homemade.
homemade. So this one's a little bit jiggly. I'm actually kind of surprised for that.
Because
I've had this kit for a while, and I think I already ran out of all the ingredients. I've had the kit since I was like 8, I think.
Didn't you get it this past birthday?
No,
No?
it's a different one.
No.
So, yeah, so I think I was trying to make a unicorn slime. I think so, because I think I kind of remember that. So, comment down below really quick, what color do you think the slime is? 3, 2, 1, it's purple!
If you said purple, then you were correct. Oh, try to do a bubble with
A
that.
bubble? I'm not sure if I can make a bubble with this one.
Oh, come on.
Yep. Oh, ooh, it's a tiny bubble, guys.
2 bubbles, right there. 2 bubbles right there.
Yep. You guys can see it's a little jiggly. And it has like little stars in it. And it's like shimmery kind of. I wonder if the slime kit came with like the camera fell. I wonder if it came with like pigment and all that, because pigment sometimes stop. WW, stop. Just stop. That's what you get for not touching my slimes without asking. Because I already told you to ask before you touch. That's what you get now. Hey, stop.
I'm getting
this
this
deal
off.
with it. And he just rubbed it on his clothes. Okay, so let's put this back and pick another slime.
I got it.
Slime. Which one do you choose? The purple one or that one?
The clear one.
Clear one? Okay. This one's old. I made this one like on my birthday, and it's been like 2 months. It says like a 2-month-old slime. It's not super old. Oh, from the feeling from inside the bag, I think it's gonna be sticky.
Mm-hmm. Touching that.
It's not too sticky. It's kind of sticky.
Okay, I guess a WW hat on this out because he wants to do the vlog.
WW, can you stay for this? You already said you were gonna do it with me. So WW has to stay with me.
Oh yeah. Alright, well yeah. Okay, WW's thirsty, so I'm just gonna go drink.
What did you say?
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink.
Quickly.
Really?
That's what you get for putting it on you.
I didn't put it on me. It went on my pants.
You put it on your pants. So that's what WW gets. Ooh, I like this one actually. So it looks like it has fishbowl beads in it.
Yeah.
And it looks like it has like this type of glitter-ish kind of thing.
I'm not thirsty.
Ooh. Oh, this one is super stretchy, guys. Look at this. Oh, this one feels nice. I'm surprised. This one feels good.
Yep, I'm gonna go back. Okay.
Quickly.
Alright, yep.
Yeah, guys, I love this slime. I forgot about this slime. So yeah, guys, let's put this back in its baggie. And the reason why some of them have containers and some of them are in baggies is I had containers, but I ran out of containers, so. And oop. So yeah, guys. So let's do this one next. This is my fluffy slime. It kind of like deflated because I've had the slime for a while now. And it has a lot of stuff in it. Like, it has glitter. Oh, okay, guys. So, this has a lot of shaving cream. Glitter. It has foam beads. It has unicorn skin. It has charms. It has these, like, big purple pearls. Like, that thing right there. So, yeah, guys, like, the slime has a lot going on. Oh, and it also has micro beads in it. This slime, I forgot about this slime. But I like it. It's pretty stretchy. You know what's a good thing about fluffy slime, guys? Did you know that if you add in shaving cream to slime, it will last longer? Like it'll be better slime for longer than like just regular slime. Fun fact. Fun facts with Izzy. So yeah, guys, it feels very pokey. Like, it feels pokey from all the unicorn skin and all that in it. And if you don't know what unicorn skin is, it's kind of like confetti-ish kind of stuff. Okay, so I got almost all of them. I still got a few left. Got itch on my nose. Okay, so by the feeling of this one, it feels like it's very sticky. So I'm kind of scared. Oh, that's sticky. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, guys, so I'm definitely gonna need my borax by my side for this one. Oh yeah, guys. Oh my God, this is sticky. Why is it so sticky, guys? I made the slime like not too long ago. So how is it already like dripping like glue? Like it feels like glue. Just plain glue. Okay, so let's put the bag down. Yay. Okay, sorry about that. I hit the camera. So yeah, this is just plain glue. That's what I'm touching right now. It's glue. And it has pom-poms in it, guys. Oh my god, guys. Why do I keep messing with it? It's so sticky. Oh, ow, it's getting in my cut. It's getting in my cut, guys. It's getting in my cut. This hurts. And it burns. Okay. Borax fixes it. Okay, guys. Well, let's knead this with the borax in it. Ow! It keeps getting in my cut. Ow. Oh, I hate getting stuff in my cuts. Because it always burns. 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 Yeah. Cause like, do you guys ever have the feeling like you know you have a cut, cause like a burns in that spot, but you can't see your cut to put like a band-aid over it, so whenever you, like whenever it burns, you have a band-aid over it so nothing gets in it to make it burn. You just don't know where that cut is, but you can feel it and it burns. Do you ever, like, have you guys ever had that? And comment down below if you hate that, because I hate that, because that's what I have right now. Why is WW taking so long, guys? I think I know. I think he wasn't thirsty at all. I think he was just going to do his vlog. You guys want to go get him? You guys want to go get him? Because I'm almost done with all my slimes. I'm not fully done. Oh my god, the bag still has some sticky in it. I hate this. Okay, yeah, guys, let's go quickly downstairs and check on WW, see if he's actually going to get something to drink instead of blowing me off for his video. So first, I'll show you one more slime so I can get this slime off my hands. Let's do this slime. I just made this slime recently for my video. It's called Making Slime. It's this slime I made so if people don't know how to make slime and they want to, they know. I like the slime. It's nice and fun. Ow, my cut. Ow. Okay, guys, so I got most of the slime off of me. So, yeah, guys, let's go downstairs and see where WW is. Because, guys, it looks like I have 3 more slimes left. So let's go quick, guys. Quick. Where is WW? Have you seen Xavier? Okay, guys, I think he blew me off.
Hey Zig, you know the container that you take?
There it is. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. So he did actually blow me off. I think he was gonna come back upstairs, but he's getting in trouble right now from my family. Okay, guys, so let's keep on going with the video without him. So, okay, guys, so that was weird. He got in trouble. WW getting in trouble. Okay, guys, so let's get it out. Oh, guys, actually, we have a few more left. Yeah, a few more, guys. So this one, I've had for a longest time. As you can see, it's rippy. Even if I do it slowly, it rips. So this one isn't the best slime. Kind of saw that coming, but yeah, guys. So let's put this back in. Let's kind of get a move on because I'm almost at 30 minutes already. Guys, I have so much slime. Got so much slime, guys. Okay, last one after I close this. It gets closed. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So my homemade jiggly slime is next. Homemade jiggly slime. This one's fun to play with because It's like green, for like the green goop and all that. And it's homemade. I made this whenever my cousin came over for a sleepover, I think. So as you can see, it is jiggly slime because it keeps ripping and all that. And I'll scoot more behind so you can see it jiggle. Ready, guys? Jiggle, 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 da-na-na, da-na-na, jiggle, 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 rip, rip, but now jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Okay, guys, it's attacking you, the green blob. You guys survived? Comment down below if you survived that, because that was crazy. So, if you kept through all the way to the end, you're a true subscriber. So, I hope you guys liked this video. Bye, y'all.